Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to solve a problem commonly asked in coding interviews, reversing an integer while checking for overflow or underflow. So, let's dive in. Here's the task. Given a signed 32-bit integer, we need to reverse its digits. But there's a catch. If reversing the integer causes it to go out of the range of a signed 32-bit integer, we should return 0. Now, let's walk through how the code works. We first initialize rev to 0. This will store the reversed number. Inside the while loop, we repeatedly take the last digit of the number using x% and remove it from x by dividing it by 10. But before updating the reversed number, we check if the current value of rev can safely accommodate the next digit. If multiplying rev by 10 would cause an overflow or underflow, we return 0. At the end of the loop, we return the reversed number. Let's see this in action. Show the output on the screen after running the code, a reversed integer, 6,543. So, that's how we solve the integer reversal problem in C++ while handling overflow and underflow. This approach ensures that our solution stays within the bounds of a signed 32-bit integer. Feel free to try different test cases in the main function and see how it handles numbers at the extremes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.